All right, guys, we're out here in Iceland today, and we're back doing intelligent flight modes. The intelligent flight mode we're gonna do today is tap fly, and we got a cinematic surprise for you guys, so let's get started. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go into our intelligent flight modes. We're gonna make sure that our remote control is in the P position, which is positioning. All right, then we're gonna go to our tap fly mode. And we're gonna start off here with just basic forward tap fly. So wherever I click on the screen, it's gonna fly towards that at the speed that I specify. So first let's pick our speed. Let's go with a 17, 18. 18 sounds real cool. Tap exactly where we want it to fly and hit go. Let's start recording. And there we go. It's gonna just keep flying exactly where we said to go. The one nice thing is that you can adjust the gimbal in this mode. Oh, it's getting a little close to the ground. Is it gonna be able to do obstacle avoidance? 765 meters. Oh, it's just perfect. Boom, out into Glacier Lagoon. And that is just a real nice shot. It's real smooth, real cinematic. I'm pretty happy with the results overall. All right, let's bring her on home. All right, and there it was. So now it's time for tap fly mode number 2.
Yes!
So what we're gonna do for tap fly mode number 2 is we can go into intelligent flight modes, we can select tap fly. Oh, that takes us back to the same screen we were on. What we actually wanna do is look to the far left and choose the bottom button on the far left. That's gonna give our options for tap fly mode since we're already in it. In this case, backwards is already selected. Let's just click on it again, just for posterity. Click OK. Gives you a little brief description there. Let's get centered. And then let's up the speed a little bit for this one, 22. I'm gonna look behind my drone and make sure I have no obstacles. It looks like I am good to go. I don't have to worry about it. So I'm gonna tap real high because I want it to go real high. Boom. And we're flying, and I'm recording. All right, let's do tap fly mode number 3, the last and final tap fly mode. This is my favorite, it's free fly mode. So what the drone is gonna do is it's gonna fly to the selected point. It's gonna keep doing that, but it gives you full control to do strafing, to do gimbal tilts. It's gonna give you a really, really nice cinematic look if you master this free fly tap fly mode. All right, let me show you how to do it.
You ready? Here we go.
First, gonna go back into intelligent flight modes. We're gonna go down to tap fly. We're gonna say, okay, thanks for the tip. Then we're gonna say, we wanna go into free fly mode. Again, thank you for the tip, we really appreciate it. In this case, let's increase the speed even more. Let's pump it all the way up. How about that? 28.8 kilometers per hour. Now, I'm gonna tilt up first, because I want it to fly up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit go and record, but then I'm gonna tilt my gimbal down. And then I'm gonna slowly tilt the gimbal up, and I'm gonna strafe to right and turn a little bit. Notice I don't have to give it any acceleration. It's still flying towards the point that I selected, but I can add in those cinematic touches just by adjusting the left stick, bringing it in a little bit to give it a turn, and the right stick, bringing that in a little bit to give it that cinematic look like it's strafing and turning. And then I can even do more, tilt the gimbal down a little bit as I'm bringing it home. Losing signal a little bit. I'm not sure, the video might end up a little bit choppy, but I really like the look as we're coming around I don't have to worry about acceleration. It's going at just about what I selected, and I think we can wrap it just about there. So hit stop. I'm gonna tell her to come on home.
Go home.
Okay, there you go. And there's tap fly modes, and there's all sorts of things that I've done with tap fly modes. It's one of my favorite modes because you don't have to worry about acceleration. I know that's one challenge that we're always dealing with when we're trying to create that really cinematic footage, is managing speed, plus managing yaw, plus managing gimbal angle. Well, if you put it in tap fly mode, especially free mode, it's gonna take at least the acceleration part out of the equation, so you could focus on the cinematics and really focusing on the frame and keeping exactly what you want in the frame, and that's what we're all looking for, right? All right, so there's tap fly mode, guys. Make sure to not like, unsubscribe, don't leave any comments, and we'll see you next time.
What?